Welcome to the channel. Are you curious why KFC fried chicken is so crispy and flavorful? Watch the full video to find out. From high above, the large-scale processing plant emerges as the focal point of the clean sourcing region, marking the start of a closed-loop process. Advanced laser scanning technology screens every egg, ensuring only the most perfect embryos are selected. The newly hatched chicks are immediately health checked by a team of experts with data recorded into the monitoring system. An automated drinking system maintains a supply of pure bacteria-free water for the livestock 24/7. The vaccination process is performed gently and professionally, creating a solid immune shield from the early stages. Upon maturity, the chickens are released into a spacious barn environment with clean biobedding adhering to humane farming principles. The nutritional regimen during this phase is optimized to ensure firm and healthy meat quality. Access to food occurs naturally with no competition or stress within the flock. Surveillance staff continuously patrol, ensuring the living environment always meets the highest hygiene standards. The collection process is gentle, using specialized cages to protect the animals during transit.
Okay, pushing it in, keep it straight. Looks good from here. Lower it down.
At the humane handling reception area, unloading is done carefully to maintain a stable state for the animals.
Easy, easy. Perfect, we are clear.
The pre-processing area is closely monitored via a central control panel to ensure maximum humane treatment. Feathers and impurities are collected and processed separately in a closed-loop water circulation system. Amidst sterilized steam workers inspect and hang the chickens onto the main processing line.
The throughput on Unit 4 seems low.
I'm seeing the same anomaly on the diagnostics.
Automated deboning robots perform cuts accurate to the millimeter, optimizing meat yield. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Once again, the cut parts are rinsed through a spray system to remove even the smallest debris. Sharp automated blades fillet large cuts of meat with the assistance of cooling water jets. Large meat blocks are further divided according to standard specifications, meeting diverse processing requirements. Wings and breasts are manually sorted into specialized containers ready for the next stage. In the marinating area, chilled chicken is fed into massive vacuum mixing tanks. Technicians closely monitor indicators on the control panel to ensure the perfect blend of the marinade solution. The feeding process occurs continuously, ensuring uniformity for every batch. The tumbler machine helps spices penetrate deep into the meat fibers using gentle centrifugal force. Automatic doors open, guiding the product into the final sterile packaging area. Every product bag is weighed with absolute precision, ensuring customer rights. Handheld scanners record information from each package into the smart logistics management system. Shipping orders are confirmed on the system, ensuring schedule and category accuracy. Manual loading is performed with care, avoiding any impact that could damage the packaging. Cold air radiating from the truck container signals an ideal preservation environment for the distribution journey. Receiving takes place quickly to minimize the time raw materials are exposed to the outside
This is the
environment.
last one.
All right, clear the way.
Ingredients are instantly stored in specialized coolers to maintain standard temperatures. The flour is poured onto a tray smooth and ready to create the legendary crispy crust. Marinated chicken is poured out ready for the skillful hands of the kitchen staff. The 7-10-7 technique, 7 folds, 10 shakes, is practiced proficiently to create the signature flaky crust. The chicken is dipped in water or an egg milk wash to create perfect adhesion for the flour layer. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. The industrial pressure fryer receives the basket, and boiling oil envelops every piece of meat. When the timer signals done, the golden brown chicken is lifted out, drained of oil, and emits a mouth-watering aroma. Staff carefully place each piece of chicken into a bucket, arranging it beautifully and fully.
Here is your order. Enjoy your meal. Hey.
Thank you so much.
The moment the customer opens the lid, the wafting, fragrant
Wow,
steam
that
is the
looks
clearest proof of quality.
amazing.
Chicken breasts are carefully sorted for different product lines like the Zinger Burger or Original. The burger preparation line is scientifically arranged with all the freshest ingredients. The filet breading process also strictly follows manual procedures to create maximum crispiness. Chicken fillets are deep fried at precise temperatures, turning an attractive golden brown. The griddle surface temperature is always controlled, so the meat cooks evenly without drying out.
Right.
Oven roasted chicken is also checked for internal temperature before serving.
We need more thighs on rack 3.
Coming right up. Careful, it's hot.
Burger buns are sliced in half by a sharp blade, ensuring a smooth cut surface. Hot buns are stacked neatly, awaiting generous layers of filling. Greens and tomatoes are washed and sliced fresh daily right in the kitchen. Sauce is pumped evenly onto the bun, followed by a layer of fresh greens. Dozens of burgers are finished quickly uniform in both appearance and quality. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Sturdy paper boxes protect the burger's shape when it reaches the diner. A cup of cold soda is the final piece for a complete meal.
One large KFC order ready for delivery.
Got it, thanks.
At the
Here's
counter,
your
trays
Zinger
are
meal.
served
Enjoy.
immediately, ensuring peak
Thank you
freshness.
very much. All right, this stack is full. Let's roll it. Bring the empty one back quickly.
The speed of
Whoa,
moving
that is
goods into the
cold.
cooler is accelerated to avoid the effects of
Hurry up and get
environmental
these
humidity.
inside.
Electronic thermometers are always used to cross-check the core temperature of products in storage. In the prep area, chicken is washed once more under standard clean running water. Skillful cutting techniques create chicken pieces that are both bite-sized and visually appealing. A large quantity of ingredients is prepared, meeting every order size. The orderliness of the kitchen area reflects the professionalism of the operating process. Each small piece is coated with a thin layer of seasoning, flavorful but not salty. Dry flour adheres evenly to every crevice of the chicken piece, ready for the boiling oil. An atmosphere of urgent yet precise work covers the entire kitchen area.
Coming right up, chef.
Cooked chicken is lifted at the golden moment when crispiness and moisture reach perfect balance. Sweet sauce is drizzled evenly, coating every hot chicken bite, creating an attractive, glossy look. Popcorn chicken is shaken well with special spices, a favorite snack for all ages. Each scoop of piping hot popcorn chicken is filled into the box, steaming visibly. Diverse dipping sauces are served alongside, enhancing the flavor experience. Rows of meals waiting to be served are proof of the impressive service speed. Checking the receipt one last time ensures not even the smallest mistake. And finally, the customer's joy
Here's
upon
your
receiving
large
a hot
popcorn
meal
chicken
is the
meal.
highest goal
Enjoy.
of this quality
Looks great,
process.
thanks. Look at this one. To the Colonel.
Cheers, everyone! This is the crispiest piece yet.
Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more.